was turning over about £30,000 a month, and now currently about £140,000 in revenue every month.
Wow, so massive improvement.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, we're here at Trade Mastermind podcast studio and we're going to be interviewing Jesse, and we're going to go through lots of questions and he's going to tell us all about his business. So Jesse, tell us about your business name.
I'm Jesse from All Solar Works. We work in the solar and battery industry. We were electrics, but after being on this course we've now swayed into the renewable sector.
How long have you been on Trade Mastermind Academy now?
So I joined back in November, so I've been here for 10 months now.
10 months. And how have you found it so far?
Yeah, it's been amazing, really. Just helped me with everything from knowing my numbers, how to run a business, where to get the work from, just structuring everything properly. And it's just been a massive change to my life, really, and my business, and everything, really. Yeah, really good.
Perfect. So what sales have you been making so far since joining the academy?
So when we first ever started, we was turning over about £30,000 a month.
Yeah.
Then what we did is we implemented the EV chargers first, and we got up to about £80,000 a month in March. And now currently we're now into the solar, so we've ditched all the electrics, all the EV chargers, just sticking down to the solar. We're doing about £140,000 in revenue every month.
Wow, so massive improvement.
Yeah, that's it.
But you're happy with that, aren't you?
Yeah, that's it. Definitely. Won't complain.
Good.
Yeah.
So you've recently just joined Chris's one-to-one mentorship. How have you found that so far?
Yeah, it's good. I just felt like I wanted to carry something on after now we're coming to the end of the course.
Yeah.
A lot of like personal development, which is what I've learned on this course. So I listen to a lot of podcasts. Anyone that's made it or done anything has got a mentor. Yeah. So, and I just feel like having someone checking my numbers, checking I'm doing the right thing, give me the blueprint. If I'm see something I could have made a mistake on before, I'm going to make the mistake. So having that help, and that's what I wanted.
Having that additional
that's
support
it.
To get you there.
Yeah, he's been great already and giving me some good advice and
perfect,
steering me in the right direction to take it to the next level now.
Yeah, and would you recommend anyone that's been on the academy a little while or coming to the end of the academy to get a mentor? Yeah,
definitely. I think everybody needs that. Even Joe himself has mentors.
Yeah.
Anyone that has got somewhere in life has a mentor. If they want to get there the quick way, if you want to get there the slow way, then you work out the hard way by making mistakes yourself, or someone else can help you. So
exactly right. Yeah.
So
would you recommend the Trade Mastermind Academy to any of your colleagues in the construction industry?
Yeah, absolutely. I think we all think we know business, but we don't. And like I said, we all learn the hard way by making the mistakes. Whereas I used to think I was doing all right, and it'd come to the end of the month and we'll look at the figures and we haven't done all right. Was never pricing jobs right, always thinking everyone wanted the cheapest prices all the time. And now we just we can give a better service by pricing a little bit higher, giving the customers what they want, and everyone wins really, so they get a better job and we get more money out of it. So
amazing.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time.
No worries.
You're absolutely smashing it. Keep going, and we're here to support you every step of the way.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Cheers.